Coming soon. A return. New faces. Wait, I know exactly what you are. You are Class 1. Even more tragic accidents. He has what? Oh God. And a devilish trickster. April Fools! Get back here, you impertinent scallywag. Join us in the new events of the 008 Railway. A feature-length special coming soon to a channel near you. For real this time, I mean it. Because there's a few engines I have in mind and I want to get. I might get them for my birthday, I might not. So these new engines, they're definitely going to come. See you.